Good morning, everybody. This video, guys, I will show you my sewing. My sewing is this polo is no logo, so I put logo. This logo I sewing in the center of the pocket polo. This is a uniform of one of the school here in Hontalisa, Cebu, a private school. The names, the school name is Divino Amor Academy. The school is, my son studied it. He's grade 7, so grade 7 until 10. My son studied there in Divino Amor Academy. So I already done sewing this logo. And then another is a slacks partner of this. So I sewing a zipper. I changed the zipper because the zipper of this is not good. It's destroyed. So I changed already, and then I changed the zipper. I'm done zipper, done sewing. I already done changed the zipper. Okay. So it's okay now. Okay. And that's all for my video. So this polo is not new. I think it's not new. I don't know if it is new or not. Okay. That's all for my video. A logo. School logo. I put school logo. Okay. Bye-bye.